Alright, this will be part 2 of my 1-part series, 2-part series. So I have to keep switching or making these 1-part and different parts things. It's because my stupid phone, one of my phones, they just lose all their storage, and then they have no storage, so I have to it appears from the corner of the room, but it can fight you. You wanna smile, I think. I forgot its attack. Now there's a piano up here. I've already done it before, I don't know, a whole heap of times. Oh, this is going to be a bit harder. I can't play it holding this, but it's dot, up, side, dot, down. No, sorry. It's, oh, I want to play it, but it's dot, up, side, dot, side, down, down. I'm sorry, I can't play it while I'm holding the thing. So I'm going to have to, I don't know, figure out a way to hold this, but also be able to play it. I hope you guys can see. I hope you've seen that, because I can't do it again. That's what I'm going to have to do with the Undying fight as well. It's going to say you're carrying too many dogs. Item, annoying dog, use. It just leaves. But that's Toby Fox. Now we get dog residue, which if you can multiply it, and you'll get a lot of gold. We'll get 2 gold out of it. But put an umbrella on that statue, and a song will start playing. I wish you could pick the colour you wanted, but seeing you can't really have a gender, no one knows the gender of the child. Now you watch at the top, can't see properly. This little arrow, you can barely see it, but there are these little arrows which come up. And they're the notes you've got to play to get the piano to work. You take an umbrella, because you're going to need one. This is where the monster kid will find you again. You'll be like, there is. You'll be like, oh cool, you got an umbrella. Awesome. It's goes straight to you. But then he just walks outside the umbrella, which is like, why don't you just walk? It's gonna stop you here. It keeps stopping you all over the map. It's really annoying. But the good thing is you only see him, the only time he actually annoys you is in Waterfall. But he does save your life. Which, I don't know, it's fine by me. It's probably like the only time I want to see him. It's a couple of times. That's the castle we're going to. Put the umbrella back. You just return the umbrella, and then like you just gotta climb on his head. Oh, this is a part which is easy enough, but if you know what you're doing. So this is where I'll stop. Then you're just gonna walk backwards, and then you'll find somehow Undying gets to the top when she was underneath you the whole time. She cuts the thing in half. Pretty stupid thing to do considering she could have just captured us then. It sounds like it came from over there. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Seb? Huh, that's a nice name. My name is no one, because there's no one here. I reckon that was Azrael or Flowey. I don't know. I'll end the video here, because we've got a fight coming up in the next scene. So, this will be the end of this one. Catch you on Sebastian.